Another day, another story. Overcoming procrastination. Welcome to Unlocking Your Potential, where we delve into the art of personal growth and self-improvement. Today, we'll tackle a common challenge that hinders our progress: procrastination. ACT 1, the Procrastination Puzzle. We've all been there. That moment when a deadline is looming, but we find ourselves binge-watching Netflix or scrolling through social media. I should be working, but I keep putting things off until the last minute. The psychology of procrastination. Procrastination isn't just about laziness. It's often rooted in fear, anxiety, or a lack of motivation. When we procrastinate, we're avoiding discomfort. Our brain is wired to seek pleasure and avoid pain. Stop dilly-dallying. But fear not. There are strategies to conquer procrastination and unlock your true potential. From setting smart goals to practicing the Pomodoro technique, we've got you covered. But there's more to this journey. We understand that breaking the cycle of procrastination can be challenging. If you're ready to take the next step to truly unlock your potential, we're here to guide you. Get in touch for personalized guidance. Reach out to us for personalized coaching, workshops, and resources to help you overcome procrastination and achieve your goals. Remember, your potential is limitless. With the right tools and support, you can conquer procrastination and achieve your dreams. Website: https://axilla.org. Visit our website or contact us today to embark on a journey of personal growth and productivity. Don't let procrastination hold you back any longer. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Unlocking Your Potential. Stay tuned for more valuable insights. Remember, the first step to success is overcoming procrastination. Thanks for watching.